Light, camera, action! Welcome, fellow singers, to a journey that will transform your performance forever. Today, we are diving into the world of stamina training for building endurance on the stage. So grab a seat and let's begin on the happy ride together. I welcome you all to my channel Fit Sing. So my name is Brownson Basumatari. So I'm a fitness trainer especially for singers. So let's dive into today's session, which I'm going to present you into 3 sections. So watch the video ahead. In section 1, we are going to uncover why stamina training is an absolute game changer for singers like us. Picture this, you're on the stage, belting out high notes, executing complex choreography, but suddenly you feel your energy is decreasing, your breath struggling to keep up. That's where stamina training comes in. Stamina training improves your vocal control, power, overall stage performance. It's the key to delivering flawless performance from the first note to the grand finale. Now that you understand the importance, let's jump into the section 2, where we will reveal some powerful strategies to training your stamina and take your performance to the next level. First up, we have breathing exercises. Strengthening your breath support is essential for maintaining endurance on the stage. Try diaphragmatic breathing and control exhalations to maximize your vocal power. But stamina isn't just about the voice, it's about the whole package. Engaging in cardio exercises like jogging, dancing or cycling boost your overall fitness and endurance. Get your heart pumping and watch your performance rise. Let's focus on your vocal exercises. Sustaining long notes, practicing challenging vocal runs, and gradually increasing your practice session will help you to build vocal stamina needed to conquer any song. Welcome to section 3, where I will share performance tips that will keep your stamina shining brightly throughout every show. Pacing is everything. Learn to strategically plan breath breaks and efficient movements on stage to optimize your stamina. And remember, good posture and relaxation unlock the secret to flawless breath control. Hydration is key. Keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Take mindful rest breaks during rehearsals to recharge your energy and avoid fatigue. You will thank me later. Congratulations, my fellow singers! Now you possess the tools and knowledge to amplify your endurance on stage. But remember, our journey doesn't end here. Keep striving for excellence, continuously learn, practice and embrace the power of stamina training, of singers committed to fitness and problem solving. Together we will conquer any challenges and redefine what it means to be an unstoppable performer. Now go out there and let your stamina shine like never before. Keep pushing boundaries and remember, you have got this. I hope this video has helped you in a small way. So before going, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.